Are you looking for the best dust collector? I have compiled a list of top 5 best dust collectors this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. ShopFox W1727 Dust Collector. If you're looking for a powerful way to remove dust from the air, the ShopFox W1727 Dust Collector is a popular option. Ideal for situations where you do a lot of woodworking, this tool quickly cleans your air. It features a motor capable of producing 1 horsepower, so it won't be too loud, but it's still effective. The wired design lets you attach it to any standard wall outlet. It sucks in the air quickly and uses an inbuilt filtration system to catch dust as small as 2.5 microns. This means that even the finest particulate gets caught. After it's done working, the replaceable bag catches the dust. From there, you remove the bag and dispose of it accordingly. The tight seal prevents leaks while improving efficiency. While it may be heavy and not suitable for collecting metal dust, it's portable and takes up less space in your workshop than a shop vac. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. Dust particles, pet fur, and other types of dirt are easy to remove with this hand vacuum. It's a cordless vacuum that runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The battery can last for about an hour of continuous use, and it comes with a wall-mountable charger. It also has a small and lightweight profile to allow for easy one-handed operation. The unit comes with an 11-ounce, bagless dust bowl that can be removed and cleaned. Also, the dust bowl is translucent, so that you can easily tell when it's time to empty it. While not ideal for heavy-duty cleaning, the built-in crevice tool makes it easy to clean tight spaces or hard-to-reach areas. Also, it's affordable and works efficiently, which gives you great value for your money. Number 3. WEN Air Filtration System. If you are looking for an easy way to eliminate nearly all airborne contaminants, consider using WEN's air filtration system. It's a remote-controlled system that removes contaminants by circulating the air in a room at least 7 times in an hour. With the remote's help, this machine can be programmed to operate at 3 different speeds, including 300, 350, or 400 cubic feet per minute. In addition, the unit is designed with 2 replaceable filters, a 1-micron filter, fine dust, and a 5-micron filter, larger particles. If you need it to work for only a few hours, you can program it to shut down after the time has lapsed. While the remote needs to be pointed directly at the machine for it to work, you can use it even if you are 26 feet away. Number 4. Dust Deputy Anti-Static Cyclone Separator. If you want a way to preserve your home's air quality without overspending, then you should check out the Dust Deputy Anti-Static Cyclone Separator. It's made in America and efficiently reduces the dust in your home or garage's air. Quick to assemble, you can set it up in a matter of minutes. In between uses, the machine requires little maintenance. While it doesn't have a built-in motor, you can attach it to any standard shop vac. The tight seal creates optimal suction, and the main pipe catches dust through the vacuum's pull. This draws the dust inwards, where gravity compels it downwards into a catch of your choice. Especially appealing to those who like to DIY their projects, this dust collector's versatility adds a lot of value. Number 5. Bosch 9-gallon Dust Extractor. If you have a big job in the works, the Bosch 9-gallon Dust Extractor is a great option. One of the best features of this dust collector is its automatic filter cleaning technology. The machine cleans its filter every 15 seconds, which helps maximize suction power. The HEPA filter traps more than 99% of particles that are 0.3 microns or bigger. It also includes a fleece filter bag and is OSHA compliant. The dust extractor has excellent suction power with a maximum of 150 cubic feet of air per minute rate, CFM, and a 97-inch static water lift. Another neat feature is that you can use a power tool to power the vacuum on and off. Plus, the power broker dial is designed to match the application and suction force. The biggest downside with this dust extractor is its price. If you don't need a heavy-duty machine, you may want to look elsewhere for a more affordable product.